Hello everyone, I am Deborah. Welcome back to my channel and to my kitchen where I'm finding and making keto-friendly recipes that will keep me focused, satisfied, and in keto. Thank you guys so much for joining me. So another hectic day, you guys, at the office. I'm home from work and I want something again that will satisfy me but will be quick and easy. So this evening I decided to continue my journey with grilled cheese sandwiches. And this time I'm going to combine the classic grilled cheese along with the classic BLT. So if you guys want to see how I put those two together, stay with me and I'll show you how coming up next. Okay everyone, let's go ahead and put this sandwich together. So I have here 2 keto-friendly flatbreads, okay? And to it, I am going to put a slice of cheese, whatever cheese that you want. I'm using provolone, 1 for each slice of bread. And then I'm going to put some bacon. I think I'm going to break it in half so it'll fit better. There you go. Layer this up here. Okay, and then I'm going to put some lettuce, some tomato, and you guys, just that simple. I have put that sandwich together. So let's go ahead and put this pan back on the heat. And we're going to toast it on each side until that cheese is melted. So, I'm gonna put some butter in the pan. Okay. And by the way, this is the same pan that I cooked this bacon in. So that way this bread can absorb the flavor of this bacon. And of course, if it's a lot of fat from your bacon in it, which mine does not have a lot of fat, but if it is, then what you want to do is put it in, turn it over quickly, okay, so that way each side of the bread can absorb some of that flavor. All right, and with that, we are going to add this sandwich to this pan. Press it down. And with that, we are just going to let it grill on each side. All right, everyone, so in the meantime, while that continues to grill, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put together a really quick sauce to go along with this. And matter of fact, you guys, this is the same sauce that we use to make the Big Mac salad. Real simple. So I'm going to take some mayonnaise. Because as you know, traditionally, a BLT has some mayonnaise on it. So I think this sauce will work well with this sandwich. A little bit of mayonnaise. A little bit of mustard. This is a spicy brown. A sugar-free ketchup. And it calls for some white vinegar. I don't have any white vinegar, so what I'm going to use is some of this dill pickle juice. Some paprika, and then finally some garlic powder. All right. I'm going to mix this together. And just that simple and easy, we've got a sauce. So good. That will go well with this sandwich. So, let's go ahead and see if this is ready to turn it over. And it is. And this is looking good. If you need to add a little bit more butter, then you do exactly that. Let's see. I have a knife, but it's disappeared. Okay, and we're going to continue to let that brown on that side. And then once that is done, you guys, this will be ready to serve. So this is already toasted on one side, and we are toasting it on the other side. And of course, you guys, if you need to add a little bit more butter to the pan, then that's exactly what you need to do. Okay, as you can see, both sides are toasted beautifully, and it is time to take this out and plate it. Doesn't this look good? I'm going to cut it in half, but you guys can see the deliciousness on the inside. That melted cheese and the bacon, lettuce, tomato. Oh gosh, this looks phenomenal. And an extra bonus is this sauce. Okay, everyone, just like that, we have a delicious grilled cheese BLT. So the only thing left to do is to give it a taste. Oh my gosh, guys, look at that. Lord, I thank you. You guys, phenomenal is this. Delicious. Let's try some of the sauce. Absolutely delicious. You have got to give this a try. As I said before, keto is not boring. So if you agree, please do leave your comments below. Again, please do give us a try and let everyone know just how delicious this is. And again, it was so easy, the perfect dinner after a hectic day outside of the home. And you come home, you put this together. As a matter of fact, I decided to have some chicken bone broth with mine. And what I did is I put a little bit of black pepper in this, along with a little bit of turmeric, heated it up. And here we go, the perfect keto dinner. So you guys remember to remain safe, healthy, and encouraged. And until we meet again, keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries. And I will see you all real soon on my next I've Got Something to Say Too. And bon appetit.